Hi, this is Katelyn Liu, and today I'll be walking you through Wylock's 6th grade worksheets for lesson 20. So the first worksheet you should have gotten tells us to simplify the following expressions and to show our work. So they're not asking us to solve for the variables, so we just have to simplify it. When we look at number 1, we want to think the distributive property. So we want to multiply it like so. So 4 times 3x equals 12x, and 4 times 7 is equal to 28, positive 28. And moving on, we have you can only add values of like terms. So you can see these are both x and these are both y. So we can do 4x plus 3x, which is 7x, and 6y minus 2y is equal to 4y. So number 3, we want to distribute like we did in number 1. So 3x times 9y is equal to 27 times x times y, and 3 times negative 7 is equal to negative 21. In this one, we can see these two add together and these two add together. So 11x minus 6x is equal to like 11 minus 6, because the variable is attached to the number because they're multiplied together, so it's one term, so that becomes 5x. And you want to add it to 7y plus 2y, which is 9y. And this one, number 5, distribute these, bring the 14 down, so 7 times x is equal to 7x, and 7 times 1 is equal to 7. We can simplify this even more because 14 plus 7 is equal to 21. And the last one, well, 11 plus 12 is equal to 23, where we want to do this first. There's two y's, so it's 2 times y plus 23. Alright. So on the second page, ask us to evaluate the following equations and to show our work. So you could do distributive property here as well, but since we know the values and none of them are variables, we can also just do 4 times 13 plus 9. So 4 times 13 is equal to 52. 52 plus 9 is equal to 52 plus 9 is equal to 61. This one, you can do 4 plus 5 equals 9, multiplied by 7 minus 2, which is 5, and you get 45. This one we have to find the powers of the cubed, 9 cubed plus 6 cubed, which I will not do because I will need a calculator if I want to do that quickly. Number 4, you can say 2 to the 3rd power plus 7 to the 1st power is just 1, is equal to, we have 8 plus 7, so it's equal to 15. The rest are all pretty much the same except for this one. Anything to the 0th power is 1. So no matter what this is, because the whole thing is to the 0 power, it's 1 plus 1, which equals to 2. So now we have 4 multiple choice practice problems. So number 1 says, Ansel wants to try the Pomodoro study method where he spends 25 minutes studying and 5 minutes on a break and repeats the process until he's done studying. So if he cycles for 4 Pomodoros, starting at 2:50 with exact time, will Ansel finish the last break. So we want to first calculate how many times he spends studying and break, and then add that on to 2:50 p.m. So 4 Pomodoros, 100 minutes plus number of breaks that he had. So 5 times 4 equals 20, so he has 120 minutes in total, and you want to add it on to 2:50 p.m. So 120 minutes, if you divide it by 60, you'll find that 120 minutes is equal to 2 hours. You can just add it to 2:50. So 2:50, and then 3:50, and then 4:50 p.m. So actually, I'll do one here, and then I'll do the top one over here. So it says Ashton could do a total of 14 pull-ups when he was 8 years old, and a total of 15 when he was 9. If this pattern has continued with the equation that relates T, the total number of pull-ups Ashton can do, and A, the corresponding age. So if we look at it from his 14th year to his, oh, just kidding. His 8th year to his 9th year, he went from 14 to 15. So by the looks of it, he's going up by 1. Now, we can just plug into each one of these equations and see if it is accurate. So in the first one, corresponding age, let's just use this case as an example. If we plug it in and this is true, then we know that that is the correct answer. So t equals 14 plus a. So t, total number of pull-ups, equals 14 plus 8 is not true. Actually, it does not equal. T is equal to 6 times a. Well, this is equal to 48, and that's 14, so that's not true. T is equal to 6 plus a, which is true, but we'll check the last one just in case. T is equal to 14 minus 8 times a. Well, it's not true because this is 64, so this is a negative, or it becomes a negative number because 14 is smaller than 64. So your answer is C. Okay, and that will be all for this week's video.